Welcome to Guys Grocery Games. 4 professional athletes are about to turn this supermarket into a stadium. Let's meet him. Now, first up, you gotta love this guy, Rich Aurilia. Then you gotta get loud for number 45, Marcel Reece. And then the chef everybody should fear, Jen Lacy, 6'3" WNBA player. And finally, Takeo Spikes, former NFL All-Pro linebacker. I'm gonna pair each of you with an all-star celebrity chef. Takeo, your celebrity chef is Lorena Garcia.
Lorena!
Marcel, your teammate is Chef Brian Malarkey. Okay, Jen, your celebrity chef is Marc Murphy. Your teammate, Irvine.
So dramatic.
I want you to make that winner's dinner. This all starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Get it, Murphy. This is gonna be awesome.
When I think winner's dinner, I think big. Whole half lobster, you can't beat it.
Where's the big steaks? Big steaks.
The idea of the dish is going to be steak with quinoa and vegetables. Get a bag.
I can get as many as I want, right?
A winner's dinner, I think of the opulent things in life. Lobster and filet with white asparagus.
It is very difficult to pick the right items. So we're making pasta with the shrimp, with the butter.
Let's go to the pasta.
We got stuff going here, huh? Yeah.
Okay, 2-minute warning.
All right, get those onion rings coming.
Onion rings are ready.
Well, let's just build this thing big, gnarly, high, and just gluttonous.
Make a statement with our plate.
Make a statement with this plate.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop cooking. That was, out of all Triple G's, one of my favorite, hands down. First up, All-Pro Takeo Spikes and Chef Lorena Garcia. Please tell us, what do we got?
Well, we decided to prepare for you guys bucatini pasta with the shrimp and also the Takeo peppers.
You guys, it is really hard for me to find one bad thing to say about this dish.
Up next, pro WNBA star Jen Lacy and pro chef Marc Murphy.
Teamwork made this dream work. We have a vegetable quinoa salad, the beautiful piece of steak grilled to perfection.
The quinoa, you know, it's like crusting those vegetables, which is a really nice touch. It really gives it a textural element to the plate.
Up next, Marcel Reece and Chef Brian Malarkey.
What we have for you guys today is a perfectly grilled filet. Crispy, beer-battered onion rings.
Okay, filet and lobster tail, amazing choice right there.
Last but not least, to not be outdone, Major League All-Star Rich Aurilia with Food Network star Robert Irvine.
So we did a take on a surf and turf with some white asparagus. And on the bottom, we have a riced mashed potato.
Robert and Rich, it does feel like a celebration dinner to me.
First, let me say, this has really been a pleasure. But the team that will be leaving the first round will be, wait a second, for the first time in Triple G history, nobody goes home first round.
That's awesome.
You all came in and crushed it, but I will assure you of this. 2 teams will be eliminated here in round 2.
Oh, no.
Chefs, pros, back to your kitchens. Good luck. Congratulations, teams. You have all made it to round 2. I want you to now make the judges a pre-game meal.
Pre-game meal.
Pre-game meal.
Okay.
Just remember this. Not 1 team will go home in this, but 2. Because it's 3, 2, 1, and go.
I'm thinking frittata.
Eggs. What else were we supposed to have?
Shrimp.
That's enough, all right?
Beef jerky.
Perfect, plain. All right. So I wanted protein.
So we think of chicken breast.
Turkey. My pregame meal, protein and also some carbs. We'll go with steak and potatoes, and we will spice it up a little bit.
2 minutes. 2 minutes left, guys.
Biggest thing for me with a poached egg is to make sure that it's runny, to incorporate more flavor. Should be perfect when the judges cut through them.
Quickly, in the middle.
1 minute.
Okay, Lorena. Now you cut in the jerky and put it on the sauce. Just a touch.
Dress the salad, go ahead.
25 seconds. Gorgeous.
Ah!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working. All right, judges, game 2 of our pro athlete, pro chef, let it roll. First up, Rich Aurilia and Food Network super mega awesome star. That's what he pays me to say. Robert Irvine.
Well, we're talking pregame meal here, so we're thinking a lot of protein.
You managed to elevate pre-game meal to something really fancy.
All-pro fullback Marcel Reece and pro chef Brian Malarkey.
So what we have for you today is a huge salad full of protein, fresh vegetables. It'll give you a ton of energy.
You guys, I thought that it was going to be too much. But every bite was so great, so well balanced, and every bite was different.
Next up, pro WNBA star Jen Lacy and pro chef Marc Murphy.
We came up with a frittata. We sweated the sausage that's in it.
I commend you for taking the egg and transforming it into something else. It's just so beautiful.
All-pro linebacker Takeo Spikes and pro chef Lorena Garcia. Please tell us about your dish.
I played 15 years in the league. This is what I ate every week.
The steak was out of control, delicious.
The judges have spoken, and the 2 teams that will be leaving will be Chef Lorena Garcia, Jen Lacy, and Marc Murphy. Teams, you are in the championship. So for this final dish, I want you to make something really delicious. I want you to make us the cheat day dish, the meal that's too good to pass up. And we're doing this. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1, go! And they're off.
I'm getting the eggs.
Get him, Malarkey!
I need the egg yolk to fortify the ice cream. We're gonna do an appleberry cobbler.
Apples, apples, apples.
So we decided to go with the pasta with duck confit.
All right.
All my attention at this moment is to get the pasta finished.
Okay, you guys got a plate. Robert, you got a plate.
Here we go, plating now. Get the plates up, yes? They're here.
I've worked with chefs all my life, and Rich and I's communication was amazing.
Quick.
Come on, Robert, come on. 5,
Go.
4, 3,
Wipe the plates, you gotta wipe
2,
the plates.
1. Stop working. Wow.
Oh, it's all right. Great job, you guys.
First up, the all-pro fullback Marcel Reece and the pro chef, the wild one, Brian Malarkey. Guys, what do you got for us?
When you think about cheat day, I think you want to just completely indulge. What you have is a apple and double berry cobbler.
Marcel, your ice cream with candy gingers. I'm a fan.
Up next, Major League All-Star Rich Aurilia and Food Network star Robert Irvine.
We did a duck confit pappardelle pasta.
Robert and Rich, I love that you did the duck pasta. It does feel very decadent and luxurious.
The team that will be departing will be Team Rich and Team Robert. Here we go. 2 minutes on the clock.
Keep up, Malarkey.
And we're going in 3, 2, 1. Go get them, guys.
Come on now, go guys. Do it, boys.
Honeycomb. Boom, down there, $21,000.
Our cherries.
Hot cocoa with marshmallows.
Hot cocoa.
Wow. Hot cocoa marshmallows.
Malarkey and his dance routines. That was awesome.
Gotta have marshmallows. Go. Frozen cauliflower.
Come on.
There's cauliflower. Go this way.
They got it.
5 seconds, sliced pepperoni.
Clock is ticking. We're running as fast as we can.
All the way down.
I got it. Time's up.
Did they get it all?
Ladies and gentlemen, there's questions on the clock. It comes to the instant replay. The hand was on the pepperoni. You guys want $30,000 bucks. Give it up.